Welcome to this somatic yoga practice for anxiety. Together we'll move gently, breathe deeply, and return to the calm within. No pressure, no pushing, just presence. Let's begin. Take a comfortable seat, grounding through your sit bones. Let your spine rise like a growing tree and softly close your eyes. Bring your awareness to the breath moving through you. Not forcing, not changing, simply witnessing. Inhale the breath of life. Exhale, releasing tension, melting into the earth. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Gently lower your head and slowly start making half circles with your head. Let the movement be organic, tender. Feeling into the hidden corners of the neck. Make your last circle and bring your head to the center. Take your right hand, place it on the left side of your neck, and with exhale, stretch your left side of the neck. Pressing with your left hand towards the ground. Breathe into the long lines opening. Slowly release and do the same to other side. An offering of breath and release. Be gentle. Slowly release what it needs to be released right now at this moment. Breath in and breath out. Slowly release and come into stillness. Let's do some quick shaking. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, shake everything out. And repeat. And one more time. Deep exhale. Inhale, coming back to center. Bring the hands on the knees and begin to move the spine. We are coming into seated cat-cow. Inhale, heart lifts, ribs expand, tailbone reaches back. Exhale, rounding the spine, navel draws in, chin softens towards chest. Ride the waves of breath. Each motion a prayer of soothing, a song of letting go. Slowly coming into stillness. Find neutral spine. Inhale, arms reach skyward. Exhale, twist gently to the right, hand resting behind you, other hand on the knee. Not forcing, the twist is born from the breath itself. Inhale to find length, exhale to soften deeper. Return to the center. Inhale, lift. Exhale, twist to the other side. And again, inhale, find length. Exhale, twist even deeper. Take your last deep breath in and out. Inhale, arms up, coming back to center. Slowly make your way onto all fours. Inhale, hips glide back towards child's pose. Arch your spine. Exhale, move forward into cat, rounding deeply. Follow your inner rhythms, no rush, no shape to achieve, only sensation. Follow your breath. Make your last round and sink into child's pose. Take few deep breaths here. Lengthen your arms. Now slowly walk the hands to the left, breathing into the right ribs. A slow expansion. And walk the hands through the center to other side, breathing into your left side, offering yourself this tender opening. Take your last breath and slowly rise into low lunge, left foot forward. Sink the hips down, letting gravity invite surrender. An invitation to gently sway hips from side to side. Explore the textures of this moment. Observe your emotions that may come up. Now lift up your right knee from the floor and begin to gently move back and forth. Place your knee back to the floor. Place your left leg back and switch to other side so your right foot is in front. And again, letting the hips express themselves. Breathe deeply. Just listen to your body, what it needs. Don't force yourself. Lift your left knee up and again begin to move back and forth. Slowly place your knee on the floor and come back to child's pose. Take few deep breaths here. Tuck the toes, lift the hips up, come into down facing dog. You don't have to master this pose. Just feel the opening. The body is wise. Trust it. An invitation to pedal the feet. Move with your breath. Slightly bend your knees. Now gently start shaking your hips. You can switch back to pedaling your feet. Just listen to your body what it needs. Combine shaking, pedaling, or be still. Now slowly walk the feet to the hands, coming into standing forward fold. Micro bend the knees, feet hip width apart, upper body feels heavy and relaxed. You can hold opposite elbows if it feels good. Sway side to side, allowing tension to cascade down into the earth. An invitation to release your arms and let your upper body sink deep into the earth. You can gently shake your legs, your upper body, waving side to side. Letting go of everything that doesn't serve you. Gently shake your head yes and no. Let the head hang heavy. Maybe shake your legs again, or your upper body swaying side to side. Just listen to your body, what it needs, just allowing the tension to melt with each motion. Now step onto the sides of your mat and slowly make your way into Yogi Squat, Malasana. Feet are wide, hips low, and hands pressing into each other, and elbows slightly pressing into your knees. Place your hands on the ground for support. Here, you can find a gentle rhythm of swaying side to side. Feel the grounding strength rising from the earth into your bones. Gently releasing hip tension. Follow your breath. Slowly coming back into stillness, and just observe how do you feel at this moment. Connect to your breath. And make your way into seated position. Coming into seated spinal twist. Cross your legs, right is under your left, right arm is holding your left knee, or cross over the knee, lengthen through the crown, and with exhale, twist to the left. With inhale, grow taller, and with exhale, twist a little deeper. Slowly come back to center and switch to other side. So your left knee is under your right and left arm hugging your right knee. Inhale, lengthen, exhale, twist to the right. Last deep inhale and exhale. And make your way back to the center. Bring the soles of the feet together, knees opening like petals. Hold your feet or ankles and gently bend over your feet. Follow your breath, slightly moving up and down, side to side, or simply stay still, breathing deeply into the inner thighs and hips. With each exhale, soften into the pose. Deep inhale and exhale. And gently lift up your upper body, coming into easy seated pose. And just observe your breath. Feel the waves of breath moving through you. Inhaling peace, exhaling release. Notice how your body feels now. A little softer, a little freer, a little closer to your own soul. Before we close this practice, let's take a moment for simple acupressure to let us help regulate the nervous system and calm the mind. Let your touch be soft and intuitive. Place 2 fingers on your temples and start making little circles. This point helps release tension and headaches, calms the spirit and soothes the nervous system, helpful for anxiety, restlessness, and emotional overwhelm. And let's move to the point between the eyebrows, the 6th chakra. And this point helps to calm the mind and soothe anxiety. It's often called the 3rd eye and helps quiet mental chatter. And release. Take a moment to feel the effects of this practice. Notice the stillness, the subtle shifts in your breath, your body, your mind. Let this grounded presence carry you into the movement to come, soft, aware, and deeply connected. Thank you for meeting yourself here today. May you carry this softness into the rest of your day. Namaste.